Hayi board members ninjani? Ayi ngeke indaba yabafana nje safanele ukuthi ibhekisiswa kahle. Ngeke phela manje uthi umubi ungenamali ngikuzame ngimuhle ngijole nawe bese uyangibhakaza ungishaye. Anyway, so this is the story. Sipho Ndlovu, right? He was known from the wife. He rose to fame from the wife. He is on this new show, Mojalifa Lewa Besuthu. And then he also is working with Isita, right? So that's where he is. On not Tuesday, on the 16th, which was Ngalewa Izolo, girlfriend wakuthandeka Mhlanga went on social media washo wathi, hey, uyangibhonya lo ungibhonyelani no uguy uvele wabhabhayisa kusa-early wathi ugeli hayi bo my love uthi good night wathi yebo sithando ngiyalala walala ngabo-4 wathi ugeli hayi ngeke usho wayigazi uthi akayoqalaza ukuthi kuthini hhayi-ke wasukuma-ke ugeli washaya imoto waya lapha e-The Parks. Okay, lehlala khona uguy anyway bese uhlala lapha. I'm sure everyone knows. Okay, well, a lot of people knows. Washaya isinqa semoto ugeli wathi vru wangena e-complexini bathi hawu wena awuthi hayi mina umuntu kaSipori yayibo phela sho siyazwana kwe-complex wathi uzuqaqa endlini hawu baby uyashitha hayibo uSipho athi uthandeka athi uthandeka Sipho athi lo munye ulandela athi lo munye hayibo ngizobheka ukuthi njengoba ulithule ulele yini la njengoba ubhekisa amadolo phezulu bekuphulunga ubani lo athi lo munye ulandeni la bhaqa athi uthandeka ngiyabuza ukuthi uchithelani athi uzuthi ngiyachitha nje ulandeni la ngoba phela ngithe ngiyalala kwena ngilele wamushaya-ke ugeli-ke shushu kwathuza lo moya aphume ugeli emotweni enze njani angene emotweni abuyele kuphi emuva bese ugeli aye efonini kacofoza asho ukuthi-ke hhayi-ke nangu lo sengishithelile nangu lo sengibhakazile hayi unahe abone uSipho athi we hayibo ungijwayela kabi lo hambiyani emaphoyiseni athi mina ngi-celebrity mina wena didizane zamaphoyisa asethi ngicala ugeli ndini lo oshithelwe avuke nahambe emsebenzini angene emsebenzini ethi nje sathi ubhala u4 qhamuka bakaHlodlo hey sifuna uthandeka Mhlanga bana ngenzeni uyaboshwa hayibo boshelani wena ngoLwesibili waxabana noSipho uthi umshayeli hayibo amaphoyisa anginjalo. What do you mean? Uyoshaya mina ublue eye nangu mina yena oshaya futhi yena ofebile mina ngifeba hayi siyakubopha. Insomi insomi yo kwaba kanjalo-ke ugeli useboshelwe into engekho kodwa ugeli uyena uney'bazi uyena oshayiwe uboshelwe ukuthi lo famous kwakufamous yini. Hayi guys abafana abasifuni subscribe gani-ke nani la nishaye i-subscription nani la upress u-like noma ungathandi ucommente-ke noma ungafuni akumali u0 kodwa shabe uNkulunkulu wami usifake la uthi like bese nje uyayidla noma angangilalela faka u-like kodwa-ke noma ucommente-ke noma ungathi happy birthday ayikho inkinga. Kodwa nawe girl Thandeka ubungaye ngani kovula icala uvulele lo mnyamana lo. He's a nice person but hayi so akasemuhle ugirl zo amadoda aphelile kodwa shuthi amadoda awekho ngeke shime esibaningi isikale esibaningi bye board members.
Hayi ngikhohlwe ukusho ukuthi lo mfana ukhohlakele lo mfana waseSwazini shaya ingane bayazi eSwazini ukuthi wafika le South Africa uzoshaya amantombazana amahle. Okay bye bye ngempela ke.